Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how to download a program using Ethernet cable to a FX3U-ENET module for Mitsubishi FX PLC. First we click on Connection Destination. Then double-click on Connection 1. Then we choose Ethernet board. And then double-click on Ethernet module. Here we write our PLC's IP address. If you want to know how to set an IP address to the module, you can check out my other video on how to set IP address. I will give a link in the description. Now we can do a connection test to test if we're connected to the PLC. Now that we are connected to the PLC, we can do a download to the PLC. To do so, we click on Write to PLC button. Here we get to choose what we want to download to the PLC. I am just gonna choose the main program. Then we click on Execute. When we execute the program, we have to make sure the PLC is in stop mode. I will now start the monitor mode and trigger a tag to see that everything works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.